Thank you for choosing 10.9 Design for your DTF gang sheet needs. This short video will show you how to build your gang sheet from individual files using Adobe Illustrator. Once you are finished, you can complete your order, and your gang sheet will be printed and ready for pickup within 1 to 2 business days. Let's begin. All videos and training material provided by 10.9 Design assume basic software knowledge by the client. We do not inspect files before printing. We will print all files exactly as submitted, and you accept responsibility for color accuracy, file size, and quality. Click File, New, or hit Ctrl-N on your keyboard. You will set the width to 22 inches and the height to however long you need. Finished height will be determined by your artwork size and how many images you need. We will discuss this more in a bit when we are working on the gang sheet file. For our example, we will use 60 inches. Next, make sure you set color mode to RGB. Direct-to-film printers automatically convert all colors from RGB to corresponding CMYK colors. We need RGB to be able to output the correct final PNG file. Finally, set raster effects to 300 ppi. This will give us the needed resolution for printing. Click Create. We now have an artboard at 22 inches wide by 60 inches tall, and we can start adding images. When building gang sheets, we find it easier to start with a template. If you would like to use this template, you may download it from our website. We walked you through creating a new file, but now we will switch to our template file to illustrate how placement works and explain the importance of margins between images. Before we begin, make sure you have the Layers panel open so you can easily drop your artwork into the Artwork layer. You will also notice the measurement marks on the top and left sides. These measurements are great for resizing images once they are in the file. The pink boxes represent the images that you will add. The black lines are the minimum margins between images. When you receive your gang sheet, you will need to unroll it and cut your designs apart. The black line gives you enough space to cut between images. It will not print on your gang sheet, and we will turn these elements off before saving our final file. Gang sheets give you a great deal of customization options. This template is meant to demonstrate the individual file sizes needed to build a gang sheet that is exactly 60 inches tall. When you begin to build your own gang sheets, you can have images of all sizes, and you control spacing. Again, this is just to help demonstrate how to get started. This will make sense as we begin to place images. Select the artwork layer in the Layers panel. Click File. Click Place. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Shift-P. Locate the files that you would like to add to your gang sheet. You can use as many different files as you like to fill up the 60 inches. For our example, we will use 2 different images. I have my 2 images in the file, and now I need to resize them, so I can maximize my space. Click your image and use the white measurement numbers, 10.9 wide x 11.8 tall, to resize your image. Make sure the link button is ticked so your image remains proportional. All that is left is copying and pasting images to fill up the gang sheet. Feel free to watch the tools that are used to make this quicker. We are almost there. To output our file for printing, We need first to turn off our template layers. Next, click File and locate Export. Click Export As, and this will pull up a dialog box where you can save your finished file. What you name your file is very important. You will enter gang sheet, last name, design name. This is important because you will include all this information when placing your order. The design name will match what you enter in the cart, and that helps us keep files straight. Save as type should be PNG. Very important. Make sure Use Artboards is checked. Next, click Export. On the next dialog box, make sure resolution is high and set to 300 ppi. Leave anti-aliasing as type optimize. Make double sure the background color is set to transparent. Direct-to-film printers will print everything on the artboard. If it is left on a white background, the entire artboard will print white. We don't want this. Click OK. Fantastic. You have now saved a gang sheet, and you are ready to use that file to place your order. If you need assistance with that step, look for the corresponding video about uploading artwork to place an order. At 10-9 Design, we truly appreciate your business and look forward to printing for you.